In this presentation, we will learn how to insert a new node at the end of the circular singly linked list. So let's get started. Let us suppose we have this circular singly linked list and tail pointer is pointing to the last node of this list. Our target is to add this new node at the end of this list. Okay. For this purpose, we will use this line of code. First, we will update the next part of this particular node, right? We can do this by using this line of code, that is new p next equal to tail next. We want this node to be the last node of this list. If this is going to be the last node of the list, then this node must point to the first node. That means we should replace this null by the address of the first node. That is why I'm putting this line of code new p next equal to tail next, right? We have to assign tail next to new p next. So let me replace this by the address 1000. Now you can see it is pointing to this node. After this, we must have to update the next part of this node so that it can point to this node, right? For this, we will use this line of code, tail next equal to new p. This will update the link part of this node and it will make the change over here. After this, we will put this line of code so that our tail pointer must point to this node because this is the new last node of this list. So after this line of code, tail will point to this node. So this is the resultant linked list so obtained. We can add a new node at the end of this list by using these 3 lines of code. And that's it. The time complexity in this case is big O of 1, right? Now let me just show the complete code in code blocks. You can see over here, this is the complete code. Struct node is declared over here. Add to empty function is here for creating the first node of the list. Add at beg function is also here for adding a node at the beginning of the list. Then we have add at end function, right? The function which we have already seen. Here first we are allocating memory for the new node. We are assigning data to it. And of course we are assigning null to the next part. And then after that, these 3 lines of code are written for the purpose of adding the new node at the end of the linked list, which is already available with us, right? Here in this main function, we are first calling add to empty function. Then we are calling add at beg function. Up to this point, we have 34 and 45 in the list. After this, add at end function is called twice in order to add data at the end of the list. Here in this case, we want to add 2 nodes at the end of the list. That's why I'm calling add at end function twice, right? Now let me just execute this code. You can see over here the output of this program is 34, 45, 6 and 56. These 2 variables are not required, so let me just eliminate them. The output is 34, 45, 6 and 56, which is correct, right? Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation.